Welcome to Electech
episode 3.
I am Ninlelai.
And I'm Stingray.
Yay. It is our third video update. Well, before we will give you an update for our Freedom Expansion Unit, we will talk about games first.
And other stuff.
And other stuff, yeah, the games that we like to play. First, I'll be the one to say mine first.
Okay, and we also have to talk about the Brisbane C64 Night.
Okay.
And later in the video, we will show the Ethernet board for the FEU. New hardware. So, yes, please.
Yeah, okay. While I am playing in Load Runner, it is so nice. I like it. It's fantastic. And because of that, I smashed it. I have a very high score, and I encourage you to play it. And please beat my high score and just put it on the CBM8bit.com. It is a high scores in any game you like. You just post it there, and you will enjoy it because many people using it. And once you defeat my score or beat my score, just post it there because I really want someone who beat me. You can check it.
Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to beat your score. I've seen your score. It's pretty high. So, but that's cbm8bit.com, and I think it's Retro High Score Archives. But yeah, cbm8bit.com.
Okay. And the Guiana Sisters 30th anniversary is already out, and I am
Number 2.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
what did I say?
I don't know.
Yeah, number 2. Preview number
Preview
2.
2.
Yeah. It's nice. This Guiana Sisters is really good. It's exciting. They are still wanting to, of course, make the full game of it. I've been waiting. Anyway, I've been playing on that preview number 2 by 783 or Merlin and some other people. You can check it if you want. Yeah, I like to play that using our Freedom Expansion Unit on C128. Yeah. Okay, so how about the Brisbane C64 Night?
So this was towards the end of last year, and this is of course in Brisbane. Every year in Brisbane there's a C64 Night. It's a lot of fun. That's all.
It doesn't sound fun.
No, yeah.
It is fun.
Yeah, it is fun. It's really good. So I did organise the C64 Night for around about the last 8 years with the help of my very good friend Zap, aka Shane, aka CBM 8-bit, and aka CBM Web, I think. So Zap's got about 5 different names I think he goes by. And as of last year, it's no longer me organising it. It is just Shane. So it was really good, and a highlight for me was definitely Shane bringing along a SuperCPU and experiencing Wolfenstein 3D on a C64 with a SuperCPU. I loved it. It just, colour, full screen, and a decent frame rate for a C64. Yeah, I just thought it was great. The whole Wolfenstein 3D game with the sound. So there you go. It's been possible. The hardware's been capable of it since whenever the SuperCPU came out, which I think was probably around about 1992, sometime around then. So yeah, I I loved playing Wolfenstein 3D on a C64.
Yeah, okay. Aha, we have a new game called Mazinger-Z.
We should mention the NIC and the LAN. So also at the Brisbane C64 Night, we used the NIC board or the Ethernet board for the FEU, and we connected several machines together with a LAN network and played Net Racer. So,
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
all.
we will include this in this video. Show you the Ethernet board.
yeah, sorry. Okay, you were going to say.
The new game, the Mazinger-Z, it's out. And we're looking forward to play it. But you have to say a little bit more about it because you've downloaded it, right?
Yes, so this game is out already. It's Mazinger-Z. It's a C64 game. You can download it now, and I suggest that if you do download it, you can make a donation to the people who've made the game. And I believe it was made by Zub, who is from Spain. The game itself is a tribute to Mazinger-Z, which is a Japanese manga anime series which goes all the way back to the 1970s, so it must be a popular one. I don't know too much about anime, but the game looks fantastic. I haven't played it, but it does look very promising. Looking forward to it, to playing it, and I like the Japanese look of it. I think it's got a lot of the cool factor.
Yeah, I've seen it too. Alright, we should play it now, I think.
Yep, so I've transferred it onto the FEU, so we will put that in the C128 and give it a go.
Okay.
Alright, here we go, Mazinger-Z. Okay, so this is a single player game, but we're going to be playing it as a two-player game. So one of us, Ninmelai, will control the Mazinger-Z, and I will control the helper robot using the keyboard, and I'll also use the spacebar to select your weapon for you. So yeah, two-player game if you want it to be that way.
Alright. It's cute.
Nice. Oh, keep going.
Oh no! Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh!
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Is there any more?
Oh, nice one.
Oops. I don't want to stay there.
You want in the lab?
Not yet. Oh no. Oh, what is going on?
Oh, you need to get in the lab when you can.
Okay. Oh no, I am. Okay. Lab. Okay, that's good. You did help me, huh? Oh, yay! Nice job. Alright, chapter 2.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
Yeah, that's right. The Japanese became Chinese now.
Konnichiwa.
Oh, I need to press it. Oh, that's right.
I think it said press button.
Yeah, I think so.
A UFO. A UFO is bombing Tokyo.
I think I'm okay with the laser.
yeah.
Alright.
Here it comes.
So when it stops in the air, that's the time you can shoot it properly. There, yeah. Oh, I saw you.
Come on, it's coming. Here it comes.
Yeah. What did I think to do that? After this, I'm gonna have to go to the lab. I think I'll go to the lab. Please. No. Okay.
Oh! Well done.
Ouch!
Well done. Nice one.
Impressive. You know what? I think I got it earlier when it stopped in the air, and then I'm like, oh, I got it, right? And I think it's
Right.
this much.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Kawasaki. Oh yeah. Okay.
Should we use the secret weapon?
Look at that, 4 of them.
Alright, let's start some killing.
It doesn't really fall. Okay. Maybe we will do this.
Oh,
BBC. Do you want to get the scrambler?
yeah.
This one.
Oh, what is that?
Press. That is what I'm talking about. Did you press?
Yeah, I'm pressing.
Oh, what is this scrambler? Do anything.
Oh, there!
Yeah, there. You fly.
I want to.
You jump. Oh no. What's going on? Oh.
Here it comes.
My Kabuto is... Oh, my Kabuto. I'm dying. How should we... Good job! Ah! Oh no! I'm dying!
Ah,
Ah!
come back. Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh no 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 no! No no no! Turn around! That's it! Where is he? Ah!
No, it's
Oh
your arm!
yeah!
It's your arm!
Oh no!
You're too loud. You're too loud. Well, at least we can start it again.
So, any final comments on Mazinger-Z?
My final comment is that it's fun, it's exciting, it's challenging. It's because it's a little bit hard to control, but I like it. And yeah, good job.
Yeah, I agree. I got to fly, so that was cool.
Yeah, that was fun.
A1 job to the people who put this game together.
This is our Ethernet and RTC board for the Freedom Expansion Unit, or the FEU. I assembled this for Stingray. We used the chip Crystal CS8900A for this. And with this Ethernet and RTC board, you can use this for Contiki and IRC. Same as the RTC board itself, which is this one. Just put it on top of the Freedom Expansion Unit. With this clock port here. There. Samples of the game that you can get is the Net Tracer, that is the one that we played last year in the Brisbane C64 Night, the 8-bit Slicks, Multi-Roguelike, and Artillery Duel. Thanks for watching.
Well, that pretty much wraps up our Elect Tech episode 3. But something new I'd like to bring in for our next episode is something we're going to call the C128 Radar. When I was in high school, I used to get Commodore format, and there was a radar in the first few pages of that of upcoming things to look forward to, new games that were coming out, things that were on the horizon. So I think it'd be nice to have something like that for the C128, and have it's nice to have good things to look forward to. So if you're working on something, you've got something coming out, and it's C128 related, it could be a game, it could be a piece of hardware, just anything that's C128 related. It could be a video, whatever it is, we'd like to know about it. So if you could, put that in the comments section and put some kind of estimated date when you expect that to come out, so we can put it on the radar as an incoming C128 missile. And we're not going to hold you to that date that you put there. Just put an estimate in there and tell us about it, and we'll try and tell everybody else about it. Alright, well, thank you for watching this episode.